Welcome to Maths by Gary Maths Tutorials. You can feel free to subscribe to this video if you find it useful, and you can also follow us on Twitter at Maths by Gary. So today we're going to take a look at matrix subtraction, and in particular subtracting a 2x2 matrix. So that's 2 rows and 2 columns. So if you imagine the rows, that's row 1, row 2, and the columns like so. Column 1, column 2. So this makes a 2x2 matrix. So what is meant by a 2x2 matrix? So first of all, we'll look at matrix A. So it's 2x2, therefore there are 4 entries. So we have A1, A2, A3 and A4. Matrix B, so we're minusing, so A minus B, matrix A minus matrix B, again is a 2x2 matrix, so it has 4 entries. So we have B1, B2, B3 and B4. So what we are doing is we are minusing A from B. So in order to do that, the top left hand entry, A1, will minus B1, which will generate a complete new entry. So A1 minus B1, and that will become the entry for the top left hand corner. Again, we just work our way around. So the next one, A2 and B2. So A2 minus B2 becomes the second entry. Move around again to A3 minus B3 for the third entry. And then lastly, we have A4 minus B4. So A4 minus B4. So that is how it works in practice. That's the theory behind it. A 2x2 matrix, so 2 rows and 2 columns, 2x2. So let's take a look at a worked example of how we would do this. Okay, so I'm just going to get 2 2x2 matrices, matrix A and matrix B. So label A and B, and we're going to minus them. So we'll go 2, 5, 3 and 7, and that's going to minus 1, 6, 2 and 4. So as we did on the previous page, all we're doing is top left hand corner first of all. So 2 minus 1, next entry, 5 minus 6, next entry, 3 minus 2, and then 7 minus 4. Now you could have skipped a step and you could have went straight to 2 minus 1 and put in 1, which is correct. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 3 minus 2 is 1, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So A minus B is the new 2x2 matrix. 1 minus 1, 1 and 3. And remember, the reason we can multiply in this way, subtract in this way, is because they are both the same dimensions. It's a 2x2 matrix minus a 2x2 matrix, which generates a brand new 2x2 matrix. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, and feel free to subscribe, and you can follow us on Twitter at Maths by Gary. Thank you very much.